am at Pack Expo in Chicago, catching up with Dominique Bohec, CEO of Boulangerie Humanite in Quebec, Canada. Hi, Dominique. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Joanie.
It's so good to see you. And I know you had just got in a long trip from Quebec.
Exactly.
And one thing that I was really curious to catch up with you about is Boulangerie Humanite is growing and your model is by acquisition. So at this big packaging and processing show, I'm curious, what are your pain points in your operations when you're accumulating multiple brands and multiple facilities? What are you sort of focusing on while you're here at the show?
That's a good question. First thing, we have 4 installations based in Quebec, and we're just finalized a $5 million investment in one of our installation. And $5 million, it's not enough when you forget some equipment. So now I have to be here for buying other equipment for that investment. And at the same time, we have a big issue on the packaging. So we have to find other packaging company, clamshell, flow wrap, and some other project we have on the table to fuel plant. Of course, we have capital, but we have a limit too. So
right. So you have to be a little bit strategic with how you navigate the show and what you're looking for, right?
So before I came, I saw all the lists and I focused on a couple of booths I want to call and see.
Okay, great. Well, Dominique, thanks so much for catching up with me. I know you have a lot to see. We're in between the North and South Halls right now, so I hope you have a great show.
Thank you so much.
You find everything you need. Good to see you.
Thank you.